I have a Swapandglue that is from Amanda Garrett here on YouTube. And she says, thank you for swapping with me. So I am going to do a new thing that I have been doing. This is the second time I'm going to do it. But I am going to, look at these gorgeous stickers. And I'm going to be able to use these because they're washi. I am going to create a master board with the images that I have been sent. I'm going to do a half of one here because I want to save some of those washies. And so let's look through our images. This is going to be a completely different vibe than the other one I did this way. Look at this. So I am making master boards to go with my Junk Journal with Us projects. And this is so exciting. So I am really, really pleased about the items that she sent me. And I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I will lay down a variety of images. And then once I get closer to the end, I will start putting little details in. And then when I am done, I will cut this up into tags. Now the other one I actually made a cover with, so that was cool too. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to go trim this and I'm going to stamp it. I'll be right back. Okay, I found this plum archival ink that I want to use. I think it will complement the purple. Then I got my black VersaFine out. And then I have this sparkly embossing powder. So let's get to it. I'm going to do the plum first. Now what I want to do is I'm going to take these leaves and I'm going to put black on them. I'm going to see what I can do. We'll get what we get and we won't pitch a fit. Okay, you ready? I'm not trying to get this on every bit of it. I'm just trying to get some so that some of the ink shows up and some of it gets embossed. There we go. And then we will emboss it. Okay, so the color of embossing powder I ended up using is a clear with sparkles. So the burgundy and the black still show up on there. Pretty cool. Alrighty, I think that'll do it. So there we go. Look at those. Isn't that fabulous? So I'll be back. Alrighty, so now I'm going to add one more layer. I'm going to add icing paste in a rose gold. I think that will look nice with the purples and blues, but you know what? We will find out. We will find out. Alrighty, so I'm going to put it on here randomly because I remember this is a master board, and so I want it in chunks, but I don't want to cover up my whole board. So I'm going to do it like this. And again, I'm going to swipe it randomly so that it's there, but it doesn't cover up my whole board. Okay, so there it is. That's the next layer, and these are going to be tags, and who knows what I'll do next. But I got to let that dry, so we can't figure it out until you see it in another video. Thank you so much, Amanda. Look what we created together. How fun. I'm so excited. Bye-bye.